Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get and set up the Tivimate IPTV player on your Firestick. The whole process will be pretty easy, and it's gonna take you only a couple of minutes. And the very first step is you need to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search and start typing Downloader in your search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom now. You click on Downloader, and there's that app, which you need to get to the device. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So you go and click on that button with the gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. From here, you'll need to turn on the developer options. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Amazon Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging setting. Then you have to go into installation of unknown apps. From here, you just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we head to the list of apps on your device now, open it, and there is the Downloader which we just got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say you will connect to UK right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works in the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, we'll use Downloader safely. So we just return back to a list of apps on the device, go to Downloader then, open it together, and here in the search, you just need to enter a link, which will be tivimate.com. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's tivimate.com. So make sure to enter it as I do without making any mistakes. I made a small typo, let me correct it. So yep, it should be tivimate.com. Here you go, there's the complete link. Enter it as you see. Click go, and then while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. Then this web page will open up. You'll scroll down and click on that blue download APK button, which is visible right here. So click on download APK, and the download of it has already started. Now I'll move my camera a bit below so it will be better visible. So this installation button will appear, you click on install and wait until the installation process is fully finished. Then click done, as this way you get the option to delete the installation files, which are not needed anymore on the device. So click delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on the Firestick. And then when you go back to a list of applications on the Firestick, let's open it. And now there, you can scroll down to the bottom and you will notice the Tivimate app, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That is the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it, and this menu on the right side will appear. Click on move to front, and the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use my link below this video to get 3 months of Nord totally for free. Then let's go and open the Tivimate in here. Now to set up the app, you click on add a playlist, and there's a couple ways to set it up. So it actually depends on your IPTV provider. Some providers might give you an M3U link. In that case, you'll go to the M3U playlist, click on enter URL, enter your link, which was given to you by the IPTV provider, and click on next. This way, you'll add the playlist to the Tivimate IPTV player. Another way to add a playlist is actually by using the extreme codes. Once again, the extreme codes must be given to you by the IPTV or by live TV provider. So if they gave you an extreme code as well as a password and a username, you would click on extreme codes right here, then go to the server address. In the address bar, you'll have to enter a link, but that's not enough because you also need to enter a username and a password, which must be given by your IPTV provider. Then you click next, and then the playlist will be added to your Tivimate IPTV player on the Amazon Firestick device. So today you learned how to download, install, and set up Tivimate IPTV player on any Amazon Firestick in 2026. I hoped it was helpful, and as always, see you next time. Bye bye.